I'm going to show you exactly how to create smooth, zoom, and pan effects in Canva using a simple step-by-step method that helps your videos look more dynamic and professional even if you have zero editing experience. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click on Create. In the search bar, type in YouTube thumbnail. Once your blank canvas loads, go to Uploads and upload the video you'll be working with. Click on the video and it'll instantly appear on your canvas. Resize it so it fills the entire page. Next, head over to the bottom right of your screen and click on Pages until you see the timeline layout. Once that's visible, duplicate the page. Then go back to your first page, select the video, and click Trim on the floating toolbar. Adjust the trim to the exact moment where you want the camera to start zooming in, and make sure to remember this timestamp. Now move to the duplicated page, trim the video again, starting exactly where the first clip ended. After that, zoom in on the video by scaling it up and positioning it where you want the focus to be. This creates the zoom or pan effect when the pages play back to back. The final step is adding the transition. Drag your cursor between the two pages and select the Match and Move transition. Set the duration to 0.1. And now, you've just created a clean, smooth zoom and pan effect in Canva. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to create zoom and pan effects in Canva, trim your clips correctly, apply match and move transitions, and make your videos look polished without using any complicated editing software. If you want me to create a full series covering more Canva video effects, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly workflows, hit like and comment Canva effects. And I'll share all the best tips with you. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.
Time leaves its mark. Late nights, stress, and everyday life slowly show on your skin. That is why we created Glow. Glow Anti-Aging Cream is designed to deeply hydrate, restore firmness, and soften the look of fine lines with every use. Its powerful blend of skin-loving ingredients works beneath the surface to repair, protect, and revive your natural radiance, day and night. No heavy feeling, no harsh chemicals, just skin that feels smoother, firmer, and visibly healthier. Because aging is natural, but dull, tired-looking skin does not have to be. This is not about changing who you are. It is about enhancing what is already beautiful. Wake up to skin that feels refreshed, confident, radiant, glow. Anti-aging care that lets your skin shine at every stage of life.